wherever you are. Get your feet grounded, have a dignified spine about yourself, and just be here now. There's nowhere to go and nowhere to be. So just be here. And just take a moment, and all the busyness that you've had today is not important. And just allow yourself to begin to shut down and close some of the files that are open in your mind as you can focus deeply on this moment. And the task at hand for this moment is going to be to follow just one breath at a time. So let's just begin by taking a nice deep breath in from your lower lungs. So breathe in and breathe all the way up into your upper lungs. Feel that tension at the top. Notice the tension and then just let it go and enjoy the exhale. And then just pause. It's the pause where stillness takes place. Take another deep breath in. Feel that tension at the top, and when you're ready, just let that go. Just pause. And take another third deep breath in, all the way in, starting in your lower lungs, all the way up. Feel that tension at the top. Notice the tension, and then just let it go. And on the exhale, just really relax into it. Let go. Enjoy it. And just pause. Now just allow your breathing to be normal and rhythmic. There's nowhere to go and nowhere to be, so just be here connected to one breath at a time. You know exactly how to do this. For the next 60 seconds, just focus on your breathing. When your mind wanders, gently bring it back. So now just notice the effects of gravity on your body. It's been said it's one of the more powerful physical forces in the world. It just keeps us connected to the earth. Just let it work. Just notice it for just a moment. So allow gravity to pull you into where you are. Allow gravity to pull your feet down into the floor, down into the earth's core. Let your toes relax. Let your calf muscles relax. Let every fiber in your calf muscles go. Let your hamstrings melt away. Just let them do what they naturally want to do. Let your quad muscles, the top of your legs, relax. Let all the little tie-ins around your knees, let those go. Let your glutes relax. Give them a break. Let your hip muscles relax. Give them a break. Notice that although you could, it'd just be difficult to lift your leg because it's warmer and heavier now. Notice how much more relaxed you are now than when we first started just a few moments ago. Let your lower back go to sleep. Let your mid back rest. Let your upper back go. Notice that you've got the right amount of strength and relaxation in your back to keep a dignified spine and an alert mind. Let the top of your head go. Let your forehead relax. Let your eyes be soft. Notice that your jaw is slightly unhinged and relaxed. Your tongue and lips are relaxed. Notice that your breathing is nice and easy. Let gravity pull your elbows into the center of the earth. And when that takes place, the natural thing that happens is your biceps and triceps become longer, more relaxed. Notice the weight of your forearms. Now bring all of your attention into your fingertips. Notice that they're throbbing. It's not that they just began to throb, they always have. Your awareness is in a different place now. This is what it feels like to be connected to the natural rhythm inside your own body. So just appreciate the space. There's nowhere to go and nowhere to be. So just be here now. For the next 60 seconds, focus deeply on one breath at a time. When your mind wanders, which it may, just gently bring it back to your breathing. There you go. There's nowhere to be and nowhere to go. So just be right where you are. Take one more deep breath in. Feel that tension, and then deepen the relaxation by letting it go. And just pause. Now for the next 30 seconds, focus deeply on one breath at a time. We'll watch the clock, and you just watch the activity of your mind by focusing on just one breath at a time.